Let's talk about something wild. Developers are shipping entire apps with just one single prompt.
It all kicks off with one instruction, asking an AI to spin up a complex application from scratch.
And just like that, it's all there. The UI, the backend, even the database schema. You hit deploy, and bam, it's live on the web. It seriously feels like magic. But here's the catch. All that incredible speed hides a really dangerous truth. Turns out, this AI code is packed with way more security holes and fundamental design flaws. You know, we used to build software slowly, and that was a good thing. It kept things safe. But now, that whole process is crushed into one super fast and super fragile loop. And here's the real problem. Developers are skipping the most important step, the actual engineering. With the pressure to ship faster, a lot of devs are walking right into these traps. So the job itself is shifting. We're not just writing code anymore. We're describing what we want. And look, this is powerful stuff. But it doesn't mean we can skip the human sanity checks. These AI tools give you this instant feedback loop. And that speed, it feels incredible, almost addictive. That instant result creates this powerful illusion, right? That if it was fast, it must be right. But in reality, devs are spending way more time debugging AI code than just writing it themselves. And all this has led to a seriously dangerous trend, vibe deploying. Let's break that down. You end up with code that nobody on the team really understands, which hides some huge security risks. And the numbers don't lie. Studies show almost half of all AI-generated code has security holes. So what's the bottom line here? AI gives you speed, sure, but it's not a replacement for good engineering.
Think of it this way. AI can write the code, but only an engineer can say if it's actually ready for production.
So our role is changing from just building things to conducting an orchestra of AIs to get it right. And this is maybe the most important part. The real divide isn't AI versus engineers. Really getting this shift is how we'll build better and way safer software in this new age of AI. Help other devs understand both the risks and the rewards of this brand new world. And hey, subscribe to stay ahead, because in this new era, what you don't know will break production.